Welcome back to the daily journal. So this was my trade from the London session, which unfortunately missed doing content yesterday. In a new schedule, creating content in the morning, and I've also started trading the London session. I originally was just trading the New York session, but given my time zone, UCC +2, I'd definitely had enough experience with New York. I still trade the 2 a.m., 6 a.m., and 10 a.m. 4-hour candle, but I started shifting back to the 2 a.m. and 6 a.m., especially with daylight savings coming up in the next few weeks. New York session is like 3:30 p.m. my side, and it will change to 4:30. So yeah, the focus has been on the 2 a.m. and the 6 a.m. and just getting used to a new schedule. So looking at the 2 a.m. candle, this was the candle that I was looking at going into the session. And with all these relative highs above us, also we had traded into this 4-hour gap. So looking for price to trade to these highs. So going into this session, let's just rewind the clock here to the 2 a.m. So going into the session, I'm looking for the 50 minutes. I'd looked at the charts and seen that price was setting up a continuation model. We had these equal highs above, and we had that reaction. I was now looking for price then trade into this 15-minute fair value gap. We had made the wick for the 15 minutes in that 15-minute fair value gap, as well as a sweep of those lows. So I was looking for continuation to these highs. So dropping down to the 1 minute. So we had swept this buy side liquidity. We're also coming down to take out these lows, which is the market maker traders double purge. And of course, this candle below had already been confirmed with the reversal with that change in the set delivery. So I was looking for price to trade back into this fair value gap. I was also conscious of the 50-minute gap down here. And of course, we've got this liquidity above. So price is clearly trading to the upside. We swept the buy side. I'm looking for the sell side to be swept. I was also looking for SMT, which we got. Right, so there's this low had been taken out. On ES it had not. And at that point, I'm looking for a change in the state of delivery, which would come from this. We also then had SMT, right? So now we got your high time frame SMT, we got your low time frame SMT with ES. Any close above that is an entry to these relative highs. And what I also liked about this trade is that this move had created another relative high. So plenty of liquidity above. Stop at the sweep of liquidity if this closed above, and off it went. So yeah, really nice expansion from this 2 a.m. candle. Really nice swing low on this 50-minute charts. And unfortunately, I got to this chart literally moments after the setup had formed. I was typically looking for the the 245, the macro, going into the 3 to 4 a.m. window for the London session. But unfortunately, you can't catch them all. Been a slow week. I've only taken one trade, which was the New York session, which turned out to be break even. Which was, I mean, if I had got this is my A+ setup. Going into the London session, seeing the 50-minute charts having expanded, consolidated, made a swing low, and then continuation with these really super highs, SMT, the whole lot. That's an A+ setup for me, and I would have been done by before 9 a.m. my side. So, yeah, can't catch them all. Getting back into a new routine and so on. So, expect more of these trades to come. Until then, trade well. Cheers.